Then only in future you will be able to do. Who's this child? Yes, Sanjeevan, get ready with your notebook. Yes, good morning to all. Hope all are keeping good health. Pray for everybody, those who are around you, to be good and to have health, good health. Okay, every day before starting your class, you must pray for everybody who's at home, who's next to you, who's talking to you daily, for all the teachers, friends, everybody. Ask God to give them good health. Good morning to all. Let's start our class today. It's just a revision of what you know. Okay, let's go back to the screen now. What we have to do, don't write anything before ma'am could tell you. Just have a look at this. It's they are just asking you to write expanded form. Okay, but this is to give you explanation. We are giving you expanded form like this. Just have a look, don't write anything. 420 means, you can keep in your mind, HTO, that is 100 tens ones. So you are writing 4, first number. Which place? 400s. 2, second number. Which place? Tens. 2 tens. Plus 0. Zeros just staying in ones place. 0 ones. So you have to write the number for this. 400. 2 tens means 20. 2 into 10. 0 into 0, 0, no value. Actually, when we ask you to write expanded form, looking at this number, you have to write only the last 400 plus 20 plus 0. This is to just teach you how to form. This is correct, and the second one also is correct, because but you will mostly use only the last one according to the fill in the blanks. If it's given, ma'am will show you after this. Okay, now just look at the screen and write Roman number 1 and write today's date. 9-4. Take a new page and write 9-4. Everybody, you can turn on your cameras, children. I like to see everybody on the screen. 9-4 in the margin and write, give expanded form. Give the expanded form. Okay. Just write the heading and I will tell you what you have to write. Just write the heading. After writing the heading, leave one line. You can copy the first one. You can copy the first one. Exactly like that, you can copy. If it's not fitting in one line, you can go to the next line. Leave a line after each question. Copy the first one. Look at the screen. Copy the first one slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Yes. Any doubt, you can ask me. Copy the first one. That's done over there. Copy the first one. Don't ask anybody's help. You can do by yourself. John, are you able to write neatly, John? John, did you start, John?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Alan, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only write the first one. Then ma'am will tell you what you have to do. Shaina,
Ma'am,
how are you, Shaina?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Are you still there in Palani?
No, I came to Coimbatore, ma'am.
Okay. In Coimbatore.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. JJ Nagar, I think. Okay. Take care of your health, okay? Everybody, see to your health, children. Wash your hands. Don't be playing in the sun for a long time. Okay, good. Cyrus, did you write the first one?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, write slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Whatever you write, you have to write neatly. Mithilesh and Lokesh, are you there, Mithilesh? Lokesh? I don't know. Okay. Let it be. They will do it after. Afterwards, they'll go to the recording and they'll do. John, turn off your mic, ba. Kevin, did you write the first question, Kevin?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written neatly? After writing the first one, leave a line, copy the second one. Ma'am will tell you. Now 345. Always keep in your mind HTO, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. Okay, now exactly like the first one, somebody is going to help me. I want 1 minute. I want not Akhil. Are you there, Akhil? Akhil. Akhil. Okay, Shama.
Ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me the answers?
Is equal to 300 plus.
Okay, one second. Now you have to write 300s. Okay. Plus
4 tens.
very good. Then
Plus 5 ones.
very good. Now you can write this as 300, 300, 40, and 5 ones. Very good. Just see whether it's right, Shama. Look at the screen and tell me whether this is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shama. Please copy, children, as it is, because you must know the explanation of it. Those who finished B, you can copy C. Adonia. No. Akshara. She's also not there. Okay. Effie.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the next one with the explanation?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
800 plus 6 tens plus
1 minute,
0
1 minute, 1 minute. 8. Say once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
800 plus
Very
6
good.
tens plus 0 ones.
Yes. When you write
Answer 800 plus 60 plus 0.
very good. Children, you have to keep in your mind. Very good, Effie. Now, 8 hundreds. This is the place. Hundreds place. 6 tens. You must not say 610, 300, all that. I mean 800, all that. 6 0 ones. You have to add S to all this. When you write place, value you should not tell place. I mean S. Okay, now you're writing 800s plus 6 tens plus 0 ones equals. When you write the answer, it comes only 800 plus 60 plus 0. Effie, is it right, Effie?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct, ma'am.
Thank you, Effie. I thought it may be wrong. Very good. So I also know how to do things. Very good. Effie, thank you for telling that it's right. Okay. Now, children, you can copy all the 3 sums given on the screen. Now, hope all would have written this. Yes, all are very happy after writing. Ashwan, shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you are feeling tired, you just raise your hand, shake, just get up, turn around and sit. Don't ask, don't wait for ma'am to say anything. Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let's go to the next one. Very nice. Please take another page, Roman number 2. You have to write each number in each column, children. Now, if it is 104, 1 in one column, 0 in the next one, 4 in the next one. First of all, write Roman number 2. Ma'am will guide you. Take a new page, Roman number 2. Use greater or less than. Greater than or less than. Ma'am did not put equal to. Just write below that, leave one line and write A to F. Below, leave one line and write A to F in the margin. Listen carefully, children, listen carefully. First one, A. After the margin, write 1, 0 for each number in different squares. After that, leave 2 squares. Write the symbol, first one. Why I'm doing it? To make you understand how to write the next one. 104 in each square. Leave 2 squares. Greater than, leave 2 squares. Write 3 and 9 in different column, different squares. Before the symbol and after the symbol, leave 2 squares. Now, I just want Mishti to read the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 104.
104 and
No. What is that symbol? Greater than or less than?
Greater than, ma'am.
So you must read 104 is greater than 39. Read.
104 is greater than 39.
Yes. Now, after writing that, very good, Mishti. After that, leave a line and write the next number. And all the symbols must come in the same line. Now, after Mishti, Fatima,
Ma'am?
can you tell me the second one, B?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read like how Mishti read. 93. Yeah.
326.
93 is greater than or less than?
Lesser than.
What is it?
Lesser than.
Less than. So sorry, you have to write less than. So you have to put this symbol. Ma'am is not putting the symbol. This symbol here, just below the first one. Please put 93 is less than. Second one. Ma'am will ask you first one or second one. Please fill in second one, children. Less than. Good, Fatima. Joshika. Joshika. Kanira.
Ma'am?
Kanira, read the third one. See.
Ma'am, the 953 is greater than 5, ma'am.
Very good. Greater than. So which one will you use? First symbol or second symbol?
Ma'am, first symbol.
Okay, please write. Other children must complete it. Yes. Next person is Kylina. Read D. Number 4D. As you're reading, you have to tell me the symbol there. 860. Kylina, louder, please.
Yes, ma'am.
860
860 is
Read fast. Check, children. 860. Kylina, please pay attention in class. 860. 631. You just read. Right. Say 860.
860 is bigger than the 631.
No, don't say all that, ma, please. Is greater than. Say.
Greater than.
No. Please don't sing. Is greater than. Say.
Is greater than.
See this girl, don't say than. You read after me. 860
860
is greater than
is greater than
631.
631.
I did not say 100 and. 631.
631.
Now tell me which symbol I must put, first one or second one? Who's that telling first?
First one.
Only Kylina must answer. Kylina. First one. Kylina, you please read. Every time you must not sing like. Okay, good girl. Now next one. Mitra, are you there, Mitra? No. Samantha? Samantha? Samantha, not there. Shashwata, Shashwata, Shashwata is also not there. Shaina,
Ma'am.
can you tell who's this? Shaina.
No.
Shaina, please read E.
861.
Yeah.
868.
Yeah. How will you read it?
Like now we,
Shaina.
ma'am,
861.
861.
Yeah. How they were reading all these children now? You have to read greater than or less than.
Less than.
So you read fully. 861.
861 is lesser than
Not
868.
lesser, only less. Okay. Less than 868. Very good. Next one. Next one is for Tanvi. Tanvi is not there. Arush. Last one, Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, read F, Arush, with the symbol inside. Yeah. 211. Arush, what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Read last one. 211.
211, 231.
211 is less than or greater than?
Less than, ma'am.
Okay, very good, children. Please check all the numbers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, very good. All of you check your numbers and the symbols. First one greater than. Second one less than. C is greater than. D is greater than. E is less than. F is less than. Now we shall go to the next one. Take a new page. Write Roman number 3. Only write ascending order. Ascending order. Cyrus, I want explanation from you. What do you mean by ascending order?
Ma'am,
Yes,
how can I say from big to small, ma'am?
ascending order.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Small to big, ma'am.
Who's telling this?
Ma'am,
Alan, no. Cyrus, tell me, Cyrus. I'll give you chance later, Alan. Don't say in between, okay? Cyrus, tell me.
Ma'am, ascending order means small to big is called ascending order.
Writing the numbers from small to big. Okay, S to B. Don't worry about it. Keep in your mind, Alan. Keep in your mind, okay? Ascending means small to big, not big to small. Roman number 3, ascending order. Just copy and write, leave a line A. Copy each number. 614 in 1 square. Leave 1 square for the comma. 329. Leave 1 square for the comma. 614. Next square, comma. 329. Next square, comma. Like that you copy. Next comma should be written in 1 square. Copy all the 4 numbers. Yes. Akhilan, are you there, Akhilan? Akhilan? Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the smallest number.
Ma'am, 193, ma'am.
Please write 193.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next number.
Ma'am, 329.
Very good. Next number.
614.
Very good. Last number.
846, ma'am.
Children, after writing the question, read a line, write the answers down. Then check whether you have written all the 4 numbers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Alan. And check the numbers. 1, 3, 6, 8. Only the hundreds place you check, you will know. Count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. See whether you have written 4 numbers in the answer. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the answer will be correct. If you leave one number, you won't get mark. Those who finished the first one, question and the answer, leave a line, write B. Copy B. Just copy the numbers. Yes. I want next child. Akilan is not there. Anandit, are you there, Anandit? Anandit? Archant? No. Ashwant? Okay, Anandit. Can you tell me the answer? Which number should I write first?
614.
No, baby. Ascending order. Writing the numbers from small to big.
513.
13. Second number.
570.
No.
614.
But one minute. Not clear. 513. Okay, 570. What is the third one? No, Baba. Third one.
587.
See, you say properly. 587. No need at. 587. Tell me the last number. Which is the last number?
648.
See, I'm telling you, don't say and just make 648. 648. Very good. Okay, just check whether this is right. Okay. Okay, now please copy, children. No, we are not going to do descending order now. No time. Okay, let us see whether you have completed this. Sorry. I want everybody to write that, and no need to make noise. Those who have completed, close your book and leave the classroom.